Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're looking at the world's dirtiest man. The world's dirtiest man has not had a bath in 60 years, but he's still not given up on finding love. Amu Haji has an aversion to soap and water, and even the suggestion of a bath drives him crazy. The 80-year-old has lived alone in the Iranian desert for the last 6 decades, but Amu is amorous and looking for love. Not surprisingly, he doesn't have too many friends around for dinner, as his favorite meal is rotting porcupine meat. But he does like a sociable smoke, inhaling dried animal dung instead of tobacco. Amu's last wash was way back in 1954, when Elvis Presley was just getting going with rock and roll, and CIE was still using steam engines to pull its trains. There's been 3,120 Saturday bath nights since, but soap has still not touched the hermit's leather-like skin. Once, he claimed a group of young men tried to give him a shower, but he escaped before the dreaded water touched him. Personally, I'd love to see him use a blackhead facial mask to see what comes out. I'll put a link to my favorite in the description below. Local people say he suffered an emotional setback or a broken heart as a teenager and decided to spend the rest of his life alone in the wild. To stay healthy, he drinks 5 liters of water from a rusty oil can every day. Iron. Locally, he is known as Amu Haji. Amu is the Farsi term of endearment for kind old man, the Tehran Times reports. But the villagers who care for him also say he's a lot happier than some people who live in large homes with comforts and conveniences. To each his own. Thanks for watching. Hey folks, this is Watson. Have you been curious about carbon facial masks? Well, I want to show you one of my favorite beauty masks. Carbon facial masks help restore collagen, which naturally fills in wrinkles and rejuvenates skin. They also help unclog pores and prevent new blemishes from occurring. This mask gives you multiple uses for well under 20 bucks. It has high quality ingredients and will leave you with beautiful skin and a healthy glow. Just follow the Amazon link below.
Hi you guys, my name is Gabby and I'm here to do my testimonial on Thinnergy. Thinnergy has given me way more energy than I had in recent months. It's helped me lose about 20 pounds and I'm really happy with my current body and thin form that I have. So please check the link below, recommends Thinnergy, and I think it'll work for you.